Used to tell myself that I don't need nobody else, just me. She just came to the party in them high tops and those jeans. Could've sworn that I was sober, but the way you looked at me, never been so lifted, got me thinking, fuck this party, I want memories. Ooh, we could be free. In my dreams, you got what I need. We'll find our memories. Life's been moving too fast, even when it's slow. We just gotta live before we let it go. You've been wanting that Chanel, picking up from rodeo, but baby, you already glow. When we're older, things won't always be the same, and I might not be the one, but can we have a little fun and maybe take it in before we change. I don't wanna forget you tonight, I just wanna fall into your memories. Ooh, we could be free.
Harlow. Harlow. Ito na. Ito na yun, Mike. Ayan, Harlow. Okay ah.
Uwi! All.
Sana all. Okay ah.
Wala ka kinip?
Sakto. Ganda ng pwesto ko dito. Ganda ng pwesto ko. Okay.
Hello, Dali.
Okay,
Ano yan,
okay na.
Dali? Horse?
Okay. Okay. Pakita natin pa. Pakita natin. Yan. Okay na. Okay na. Okay.
Alright, siyempre may mga party
Okay na.
para sa mga galing na para pumipitik na. Next question, ito bibigyan ko to ng tatlong prize. Pero kailangan adult yun eh. Kaya kami,
Yan, okay na.
gusto na kumuha ng... Nag-aaral ka na ba? Sige nga, try natin. Anong English ng aso? Galing ah. Mira. Okay, ano naman ang English ng baboy?
Sisi.
Sisig.
Sisig.
Kaya tayo magaling na magana ah. Ano yung pogi? Sige na. O, dadagdagan mo yung price ito. Okay, ready? DJ music. Salamat, Shopee. Nagpasalamat si Shopee. Shopee, baka naman.
Starry night, when that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight.
Bakit hindi pagawad si Kuya? Kuya, here! Ano pangalan mo kaya?
Everybody's feeling
Ay, ilan na taon na si Kuya RJ? 9. Pagkain mo sa do the countdown. Like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and ikot aking, and then pass.
Okay.
Ay, nako.
Okay, okay na. Thank you.
kuya.
Kulang? Pag-drawing ka naman ata.